What's up, everybody? This is Steven, otherwise known as Yakima Juggalo. Here is my dark matter box. And here is my unboxing. So you get a sticker. Here's the cool surprise that he was waiting for. The villains. Get the Bob Style Smokin' Joe logo. You get the Underground Avengers logo. You get UGA right up front. Now, Dark Matter Protocol. Echilean officials only. Evidence Batch Omega. If seal is breached, contact your direct PI official immediately. Get that cool symbol. Underground Avengers EP. Dark Matter. Same cool symbol. Dragonfly 44. Track listing there for you. Whoop whoop, worth the $100.